Hey everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 25 of snowing through January with my minis. I can't believe we're in the last week. We have this counting today, we have 7 days. That's crazy. But you can kind of tell because my binder's pretty full. So I'm excited to use this. For February, I am going to use Kimmy's Corner. She had some cute little love and holiday ones on her Ko-fi, so I went and picked those up. So I will be cutting those out this week and getting that ready for February. So we have Brian here, and I hope all of you guys are warm. I hope that everybody is safe. I can't believe the weather that's happening. I've heard some people say that it wasn't as bad as they thought it would be, which I'm so happy to hear that, but I just hope everybody is doing okay. So we are adding $7, I don't know why I took everything out, to our minis bank. And I have new nails on again. I swear last week I had 2 different sets on, and even now I messed up the polish because these are just like the nails with nothing on it. I think they're meant for like dip or other polish. Not quite sure. And I was like, not going to do that. So I just put OPI, put it in neutral, I think is what I put on. And I did finally post stuff on TikTok. So I decided I'm going to do 30 days over there, see if I can kind of do some sort of combination of beauty and budgeting. No idea if it's going to work, but I wanted to try. So I showed my first video was my Ulta haul where I got that nail polish. And I'm trying to use up all the nails that I have before buying new nails because I feel like that's a little bit of a waste. So I don't need this anymore because I remembered it was day 25. I was so afraid I was going to forget. And I'm sure a lot of you are thinking, let it snow somewhere else. And we are just going to get started. I have my prop coins, $7 worth of prop coins. We're going to roll a D3 and put that number down in front of each envelope. So 7 got 2, 8 got 1, 1, 2, and 3 for number 9. I hope you're having a nice weekend other than your weather. 1, 2, and 3. And I know some people like Florida, where I'm at, it was really cold and windy today. I didn't like that, but I can't complain. 1, 2, because everyone else is dealing with way worse. All right, 2 got 2. 3 got 1. 1 for 4. 1 for 5. Uh-oh, we're going through the ones again. 2 for 6. 1 for 7. And 2 for 8, which is what we have. So I will start at number 9 next time. All right, so let's see what we got going on here today. Okay, so number 1 got 50 cents. Got my marker. So number 1 is from Owl Always Save, and we can do 2 more. So we have $1 more left on this one, and this will save us 4. All right, 50 cents going in for number 2. And this one is from Vicky Thinks. So we can finish off the top row. This one will save us $3. Number 3 got 25 cents. And this one is from Greta at Agape Book Club. So we can do 1 of those. Four only got 1, but it was 50 cents. That's nice. And that's what we needed. Yay, we finished one. This one's from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. I don't know why I paused in between that. From Bookish Mama Budgets. So we finished that one. Let's pull out an extra. What is this? Oh, these nails. All right, we've got we've got Teen Winch. Oh my goodness. We have Teen Witch, not Team Winch. Oh my gosh. Now I'm gonna have the giggles for the rest of the thing. Okay, so this will save us $6. This is from Christine at Financial Dreams with Christine. We have nothing going into this one, so we'll put that over there. Oh goodness. All right, number 5 is from Kayla at Evergreen Budgets. So we can mark off one book. And then number 6 got 50 cents. All right, let's see what we got here. This one is from Vicki at Pink Plum Budgeting. So we can do 1 and 2. I'm excited we finished one tonight. I didn't know if we would be able to do that. All right, 7 got $1. And everything's upside down. There we go. $1 for 7. Oh, this one's mine. You can get it free on my Ko-fi. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1. And I don't know if I said, but I am going to come in with $7 a day in February. So let's see. I'll probably talk a little bit more about it in my video later today. So we have $1.25 going into number 8. That's pretty cool. This one is from Budget with Tiffany 26. Dear Santa, it was the cat. So we can do 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can do this whole second row and one cat. Oh, I love Tiffany's challenges. Okay. All right, so we have, wow, we have $1 going into number 9. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. It says summer, but we all want that now. So 25, 50, 75, and $1. So $1.25 and that one will be done. And then last but not least, we have at least $1. Oh, wow. Yep, we have $1.25 for number 10. And this is a new one from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. There's a pattern. So we can do 25, 50, 75, $1, 25. And this one will save us $4. Very cool. All right, so we need to go up to the front and get to our minis bank and get $2. 1 and 2. And then we'll put our prop coins away. And then we'll go back here to our completed and we will put in our $2. And then our savings challenge that we finished. Yay! And I really want this to close, but there's no way. Wonder if I take the prop coins out. Yay. All right, we finished one in day 25 and it was $2, but I'll take it. I'll take any savings any day. And I am so appreciative of you guys hanging out with me today. And if you are watching this and you did not see my Friday video, you might want to go watch that and make sure you're subscribed. And then you also might want to watch today's video this afternoon. So just saying, you might want to watch that. So I hope you have a fantastic weekend. Stay warm, stay cozy, and until next time, take care. Bye.